How big is the Artemis SLS rocket? Imagine a rocket so tall it reaches the height of a 30-story building. That's how big the Artemis Space Launch System rocket is. It's built to carry astronauts to the moon and beyond. The Artemis SLS stands about 322 feet tall. To picture that, think of a skyscraper with 30 floors stacked on top of each other. Its diameter is about 27.6 feet, which is wider than most houses. When fully fueled and ready to launch, the rocket weighs around 5,750,000 pounds. That's heavier than 400 school buses combined. This size helps it generate enough power to escape Earth's gravity and send the Orion spacecraft toward the moon. The rocket is made in parts. The main part, called the core stage, is over 200 feet long. It holds the liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen fuel for its RS-25 engines. These engines are the same type used on the Space Shuttle but are upgraded for more power. They produce over 2 million pounds of thrust, enough to push the rocket into space. On each side of the core stage are two solid rocket boosters. Each booster is about 177 feet long and 12 feet wide. These boosters are the largest solid rocket motors designed for humans and give most of the thrust during the first 2 minutes of flight. For astronauts training for Artemis missions, the size of the SLS is more than just a number. It influences how they prepare. The powerful launch means astronauts experience intense forces during takeoff, so training includes simulations that mimic these high-G conditions. The rocket's large capacity allows for more supplies and equipment, making missions safer and more flexible. Building and launching such a giant machine is complex. Teams of engineers and technicians work tirelessly to make sure everything is perfect before launch day. The size of the Artemis SLS also means it can carry the Orion spacecraft, its service module, and all the life support systems astronauts need for their trip. Its design can be adjusted for different missions, whether carrying crew or heavy cargo. This flexibility is important for future exploration, including potential trips to Mars. Knowing how big the SLS is helps us understand why astronaut training is so detailed. Simulators recreate the vibrations, noise, and acceleration of launch, preparing crews for the real thing. Mission planners use the rocket's capabilities to design routes and schedules. Engineers focus on keeping the giant machine safe and reliable. In short, the Artemis SLS is one of the largest and most powerful rockets ever built. Its size is a direct response to the needs of human space exploration. It allows astronauts to go farther and stay longer in space than ever before. For those training to fly on Artemis missions, the SLS is a symbol of human achievement and teamwork. It's a marvel of engineering that makes future space adventures possible.